What is up, everybody? Wes back with Auto Mafia Racing, and today we made it finally to Cletus and Cars. We got the whole crew out here today. A bunch of people are going to show up. It's going to be awesome. Obviously, we got Project Hurricane, and then we finished David's car. It is sitting slammed right now, all super bagged and looking awesome. Love it. How much better did it ride, man? Way better. Way better. Just killed it. We have a bunch of other people come. I think the Camaro that we tuned the other day is going to show up, so we should have a good, strong Mafia presence. Tuned all on the dyno, and we'll be making some sick power. Hopefully making some good passes. So, fingers crossed. We're going to have a good time today. We're going to get a lot of filming done for you. Hopefully we run a 9. It is kind of hot, so we'll wait till tonight, but we'll see ya. Enjoy. All right, guys, let's freaking do this. Prep was garbage. The prep's trash today, guys. We'll have to go way easier and get into it. So we'll see what we miled an hour though. Ah, god dang it. We'll have to go way easier. I spun like through the 60 foot. So yeah, that was a 12.7 at 125. The car, we spun bad. It was only a 1.7. It's terrible. We need way more prep. We'll go again. I'll go easier into it because she's freaking taking off like a bat out of hell. All right, guys, let's go for it. Let's see if we can get a good pass this time, guys. I'm gonna go really easy off the launch. prep certainly helped, but that was a super soft launch. But not bad. Not bad at all. There's something with the 4 to 5 shift though. It's not happy. I'll have to pull up the tune and we'll take a look, and we're gonna have to do some more testing, but man, it's a fun car. It's just a fun car. It's fast. And that was easy. That was no effort. That was just, I held it on. We maybe launched on a pound of boost, if that, probably none. I just rolled into the throttle. I just set a world record. Oh shit. Yeah! World record, baby! We went easy into it and then we had to let off. God, I'm gonna run a 9 tonight if I can make it shift. That was a 140 60 foot on the foot brake, guys. Like, that was cake. 108 miles an hour to the 8th. We ran a 10.08 at 119. Because it wouldn't shift again. We're gonna roll through. I'm gonna pull up the tune. We'll see what we can do, but world record. I'm currently the fastest naturally aspirated car, and that was with shit prep. We're gonna frickin' run a 9, maybe even tonight. I'm gonna go let it cool off. We're gonna check that trans. If we can get it to shift, we're frickin' golden. Thanks, guys. All right, guys, so we're going ahead and open up the laptop. We're gonna try and figure out what the heck's going on, why it's not wanting to stay in gear, keep under power. I don't know. Basically, I hit a limiter. I know you guys probably heard it in the video. I didn't let off. We just hit that. So I'm gonna try and figure out what it was. Cross your fingers that we can figure it out, because if we can, we're gonna run a 9-second pass tonight, and it's gonna be epic, and we're gonna reset our own world record. Because right now, we set that record. Oh, it's still in the car. But it was a 10.08 at 119. Yeah, so we're gonna get it. I can't wait. HP Tuners for the win with the sponsorship. Thanks for them. We're gonna get into it now. Hopefully we're not RPM limited or something crazy stupid like that, but cross your fingers. Let's do it.
We should run a 9 this time if the transmission shifts to 4th. We didn't shift to 4th last time.
All right, well, here we go.
Sounded like it shifted. Still no time.
I don't know what that was. It felt halfway decent, but we'll see. The car is, I'm hitting a limiter. That was, I watched it, that was like 5,000 RPM. I hit a limiter. I don't know, we gotta do some testing. I don't know what, it's doing something funky. We got to do a bunch of testing to it and figure it out, but it's hard to tell. But I basically, it spun off the line, I let off, hit it again. I doubt that was a 9-second, but I did get it to go back in, so I don't know. Probably a low 10. Well, it wasn't good. It was like a 1.660 foot. Again, we spun. Still did 108 to the 8th, but again, I'm hitting a limiter. At 5,000 RPM, it's just like, it's stopping. It's like I'm losing all power. I don't understand what it's doing. But that was a 10.2 at 124. It's just all over the place. I really want a 9-second pass. We're gonna do it again, and I'm gonna try and manually shift it and see if it'll work. My nephew loves your car. Thanks.
All right, you chirped the tires pretty bad. What'd you end up running?
We spun, it was 10.2 at 124, and it did weird stuff at like 5,000 RPM again. It went into 4th, but it like short shifted into 4th, and then it pulled power at 5. It literally just like killed it. So, I don't know.
Okay. Let's run that 9. You ran pretty fast.
What did I run, man? Come on, I didn't see it. It blew up.
I'm out of breath. I ran here.
What a run! I gotta go
9,
get the car. 9?
7.
I ran a 9.7.
You ran a 9.7
with a stock V6.
Stock V6.
Hell yeah, dude. Hell yeah.
Woo!
I just set that record by half a second.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
9.7? What mile an hour?
I did see
Thank
the
you,
mile an
man.
hour, man. I saw
Thank
9.7
you.
and I flipped out, dude.
Thank you.
Congrats, buddy.
Thank you, man.
I had to get you gotta get a ride back.
Yeah.
Woo!
Damn.
9.7. 9.7. Let's go get that slip in the car.
Kyle saw it too.
I'm sorry to everyone, but you know what? It finally, it went. It shifted fine. It did everything it was supposed to do. Everything it was supposed to do. And we went through I got all the way through the trap, and then it went, boom, and I couldn't see anything. And I was like, oh God, go straight, go straight, go straight, go straight.
Dude.
Woo!
Dude, we were flipping out. We turned around, there's just smoke. I didn't even see the taillights, man. It was crazy.
I stopped at the end, I was like, oh, I'm on fire.
Oh, I want to see that GoPro footage.
I don't think it didn't go though till after, so most of the track is clean.
Yeah.
How was that?
We're all good.